Well, I thought I'd never see the day, but these two are just great pals now. Great pals. True and Holly. And Crow, here he comes. See how close Crow is? He's just, Crow is our third dog. There he goes.